Here's how to check if someone is monitoring your WhatsApp. I made a video previously about how to monitor someone's WhatsApp, and even though I mentioned in that video that it was strictly for educational purpose, what I found out is that most people, especially guys, have turned this thing into an object of relationship winch hunt. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if someone is monitoring your WhatsApp and how to stop them. Just open your WhatsApp and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap linked devices. Here you will see all the devices that your WhatsApp is linked to and can see your conversations. In my case, I had my WhatsApp linked to another phone, my laptop, and a desktop computer. The idea behind this is actually to help you extend your WhatsApp to other devices for convenience sake and not otherwise. So all you need to do if you see any device you didn't recognize or approve is to tap on it and it will show you the location it was linked and the last time it was active, which can help you to know who is behind it. Just tap log out and one monitoring spirit down. Do the same for others and there you have it. So go and check your WhatsApp now to be sure that no one is monitoring you. Like this video if you found value in it, share it to save your friends and follow for more tips like this.